Well guys, the time has finally come. We broke out our 100K subscriber shirts. We got our 100K subscriber pillow here. And you know what this means? That means we hit 100,000 subscribers, and about 6 months later, we finally have the box with our 100,000 subscriber plaque.
We finally got it, and we are finally ready to do an unboxing video. Can you please stop? You're interrupting this video. Go.
You see, you totally ruined that. You're gonna have to go somewhere else. Inside, and we are so excited to show you guys our unboxing video of our little baby here. This is the culmination of a lot of years of work and a lot of you guys following our channel, and we're really appreciative. But we're really excited to show you this unboxing video, and we're about to get into it. Well, as you guys can see, honestly I was kind of expecting this to come in a more discreet box, but they literally just threw this on the front porch with a giant YouTube thing, so it's a good thing that no one stole it. But it did arrive in this beautiful YouTube box. I'll keep the box just for purposes, but let's go ahead and get into the actual unboxing part of it. Looking forward to it. It. Okay. You guys get first preference. See, we're not even going to see it on the right way. See, you guys get to see it in the correct orientation. I have to look at it upside down. Okay, you ready? I can't wait any longer. Alright, grab the other side for me. I have to peel the tape a little bit. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay.
That was a big letdown.
Okay, well.
Gosh, we're still not there.
Okay. What does it say?
It's from the CEO of YouTube.
Oh, he wrote us a handwritten letter.
Okay, first of all, it's a woman. It's Susan.
Oh. Let's see. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators can accomplish. 100,000 subscribers. I don't think that's real signature, but I'm gonna pretend. We'll hang this one up too. And then Rick also said congratulations. I don't know who Rick is, but there she is. Oh, look at her. She's so pretty. Okay.
Actually, it's bigger than I thought it was.
Wow, I did not expect it to be that big. Wow.
What is that?
A pure silver. Look at this baby. I love it.
I mean, I don't know. I never paid too much attention to it. I thought it was actually a rectangle, didn't you?
Me too. I think.
It was like
have they changed? I don't know if they've changed the design.
Yeah.
Maybe you guys have watched a few more of these unboxing videos than I have, but
pull it out of plastic. Get a better look at it.
She's so pretty.
Fancy.
I cannot wait to hang her.
It is pretty. This has got a mirroring effect, and then of course this is like a silver.
It says, presented to Car Confections for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. Oh, how nice. That has a little
clips hanging on
clips.
the wall.
Yeah, this is definitely going on the wall in our office. Maybe we'll give you guys an office tour at some point.
Once we actually make it look nice.
Yeah, our office doesn't quite look nice right now, but this was an integral part of this design that we want to have in our office. So,
guys, this really feels like kind of a surreal moment, I mean, just of course, like I said, we had 100,000 subscribers like several months ago, which was huge, and we talked about that then, but then actually getting this plaque, it just kind of makes it real, Yeah, we now have the proof.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Yeah, it's something tangible. Sometimes, you can get caught up in the numbers and not really realize what they mean. We have 125,000 subscribers, and you don't really realize, but this is kind of like a momentum of how many people that is. 100,000 people, that's a lot of you guys, and we are just so appreciative. If you take a moment to think about it, 125,000 right now, 100,000 people represented by this plaque, follow us and watch all of our videos, and they're fans of ours, and it's just absolutely crazy that you know, two little goofballs from Kentucky, you know, get to do what we do. And then recently, you know, we've been on all these events with other major YouTubers like Sofyan and, you know, all of these cool people that we're able to meet because of your guys' contribution.
100% because of you guys. I mean, there's you know, nothing else to think. It's not any type of talent or anything on our part. I mean, we were pretty bad, especially at the beginning. Some of you guys have been around for a long time, and we can't thank you enough for that.
Well guys, that pretty much sums up this 100K unboxing video. You know, we're super excited to go hang this up in our office so that we can, you know, look at this awesome plaque all the time and kind of motivate us to keep moving on towards 1 million, because that's the next goal, is to hit 1 million subscribers.
That's right, and we're gonna need you guys more than ever before to get there.
Yeah, no unsubscribing. Once you're subscribed,
that's right.
No unsubscribing.
You're not allowed to unsubscribe.
And you know, keep promoting the channel. I know a lot of you guys are super crazy about promoting the channel, and we appreciate that. The more the merrier. And on the road to 1 million, we're signing off. Car Confection.